Roll.
It's been a pleasure, you all. Oh my God.
Wow, welcome back to Vision Garage, and these half doors on this Can-Am, on our Can-Am project, they came out really nice. Kirk did a great job. He's going to talk a little bit about the installation process and a little bit on his thoughts after the installation. Hey, for what it's worth, I think they look great.
Once we unpackaged all the parts out of the box, we realized that Can-Am does not send any instructions with this. But you can go online and download the instructions, and I would recommend that due to the fact that some of these parts you can inadvertently put on backwards. So to save time, I would definitely go to their site, download the instructions. I'm going to rate this install a moderate to easy installation. Can-Am, whether or not you're putting in half doors or full doors, there's a channel that goes all the way around the cab opening that these have to fit in. And Can-Am done a great job of making it so you can adjust it so you can put it right in the center of this channel so that the seal seals up really nicely. They've done that by slotting a lot of the bolt holes so you have movement for the adjustment. As you can see in the video, the fit and finish on these doors are really good. They seal up good when they close. They're easy to open, easy to close. They latch really good. They also come with, you can see the small mesh net for additional protection. Also, the fit and finish and the lines of this door go really well with the cab. And the reason I went with the half doors was that I want to use this in the summertime as well as in the wintertime, which, as you know, we're going to eventually enclose it all the way and put heat in it.
As always, thank you for joining us here at the Vision Garage. We are located in Central Kentucky. Please, if you like what you see, like, subscribe, leave us a comment. We always want to hear what you got to say. We'll see you soon.